What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at a Marshall AS50R, and this will work for the Marshall AS50D. Over here we got Marshall Footswitch, and I'm going to show you guys how to wire basically any Marshall Footswitch without buying a new one. So let's flip this around here, and you got your black wire, which is, let me grab this, your sleeve, ground. So right here is your ground. This wire goes to this leg and it jumps over to this leg here. And then you got your ring, which is that centerpiece, and that's your red one. That'll go to your middle leg right there. And then you got this white wire, which is your tip, and that goes right there to the middle one. Now, to get the LEDs working, you can, the long leg on your LED is your positive. So right here, your LED, this was my long leg, and I soldered a 1K resistor to the positive leg, and I went to this leg right here. The ground leg gets connected to the ground. Same on this side, ground on the LED to ground, and then the positive leg of the LED with the 1K resistor to this leg. And turn this on and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so lights are off. This will be the chorus side. Reverb. Okay, so we're all done. I just made some little labels here so you know which is which. Chorus, reverb. And that's it. So don't be wasting your money buying a ton of different Marshall pedals, because some of them are really expensive, and with some simple rewiring of your switches, pick up some old Marshall switches and rewire them.